ge.
Ala, bayan.
Ge, silak.
Grabe hangay.
Grabe ha. Weh. Sikim na pod. Ay, sikim na pod. Oy. Sikim na pod. Sikim na pod. Ge. Ge.
Do it.
No, we didn't say fast. Akura! Umana! Now, next up is Kim! Woohoo, go! Gay! Wow! What a very good talent model! And very good actress of Valencia Central Elementary School!
Ethan will go roast for the camera. Okay, let's welcome Ethan Joseph Bragan. Tawa, mga magaling. Go na! Wow! Let the pro do it. That was part of the pro. Next is the pro.
Dala ka mag-kuan ron!
Ay, bet. Necklace. We have camera. Necklace, pagod.
Dala ka mag-kuan! Jay!
Ay, bet Now, welcome Kim, Angel Grace. The baddest of them all. Angel Grace. The baddest of them all. Yatis ka, G. They always said, follow your mother's footsteps. You're the winner. Okay, who's the winner? The winner is me.
Ikaw recording here! Contestants!
Hoy, dali.
Come here, contestants! I repeat, come here!
Ako! Sana si Jaren. Oh, diba?
For the
How dare you disrespect my
Gaba.
judgeness?
Okay, video! Ano ka ikaw dyan? Uy!
Mag-video ko niya na si Rodriguez.
is Roger!
No! Nanay ka, di katulog. Ikaduha. First place is Rodriguez.
First place is Rodriguez!
Second place is Jaren. Third place is Ethan. Puro na boy.
Interview? How was being first place doing?
I was first place because I took modeling class because I am a part of the Blackout Models in I don't know.
And where part of the Philippines
Hoy, uli na ta! Negros.